I'm Rachel Vaters-Carr. I teach sculpture at Southern Connecticut State University. The collaborative emphasis and diverse experiences of faculty teaching in our area serves to reinforce our commitment to students and to inform the development of our work. With a fluid interest in thematic exploration, my studio practice shifts seamlessly between drawing, painting, and sculpture.
I'm Professor Jeff Slomba. In sculpture, our teaching is definitely inspired by being practicing studio artists ourselves. Each one of us has developed a unique expertise within the very broad and diverse discipline of sculpture. My own studio work focuses on the use of the figure and art historical references to create narrative puzzles that often have missing pieces for the viewer to ponder.
The Sculpture Concentration is a professional path program offering comprehensive experiences in sculpture. It is comprised of a diverse curriculum that begins with traditional sculptural media and techniques such as wood construction and carving, welding and metalwork, plaster modeling and casting, mixed media and figurative sculpture. Students in 3D design and sculpture are given a foundation of creative problem-solving skills, applied to making and evaluating objects and developing dynamic arrangements of structure, form, and space that convey artistic intent and meaning. Students at all levels can expect collaboration and critical engagement to be at the core of the student experience in the 3D design and sculpture area. In addition to a classroom community, we look for opportunities to support field trips and engage with arts organizations in the region.
For those interested in a career related to sculpture and design, our grads have pursued work in the film and prosthetics industries, furniture design and fabrication, art restoration and conservation, and gallery and arts administration.